Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Starz on Apple TV, quick fix step by step clearly. To activate Starz on your Apple TV, start by turning on your Apple TV device. Navigate to the App Store from the home screen. In the App Store, use the search function to find the Starz app. Select the Starz app from the search results. Download and install the Starz app on your Apple TV. Once the installation is complete, open the Starz app. You will see a prompt to sign in or activate your account. Choose the option for activation. A unique activation code will be displayed on your screen. Using a mobile device or computer, open a web browser. Go to the activation URL provided on your Apple TV screen. Enter the activation code displayed on your Apple TV. Follow the prompts to sign in with your Starz account details. If you don't have an account, you can create one on the website. After successfully signing in, return to your Apple TV. Refresh the Starz app if necessary. Your Starz account will now be activated on your Apple TV. You can start enjoying your favorite content right away. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.